Okay guys, let's have a quick look at Alpha Networks and what it actually is. Alpha Networks is a PBN system that we created about a year, maybe 2 years ago, and it's basically creating HTML blogs. The beauty of Alpha Networks and the uniqueness of Alpha Networks is this. First of all, you can create up to 3 different types of sites. You can create blogs, or you can create social bookmark sites, or you can create video sharing sites, okay? Even better is that you can create group networks with other members, okay? So maybe you want to do a project together, maybe 5 or 10 people, and you want to put in 10 domains each. Say for example, you all put in 10 domains each and you've got like 10 people. That's going to be 100 websites that you've got. And you can all post into those websites from a desktop tool, okay? So we have got the Alpha Networks desktop tool here, which I'll just bring over, and you can see that we can post into the HTML blogs, or we can even post into some WordPress sites as well if you've got a blog network on another system like Easy Blog Networks, for example, okay? So for the HTML blogs, which is the sites that we have got, you can come in here and you can make sure that your sites are indexed, etc. Now I've been doing a lot of testing. One of these I've actually done 1 million posts into it. It was a social bookmark site and I was playing around. So that one is looking like it's not indexed anymore, but not to worry, no big deal. They're all on a different Class C IP. Okay, so when you want to do some posting, it's very quick and very easy. All you do is come over to the posts, you can click on add, and you can put in the title, you can put in some details, you can even put in some shortcodes for video, playlists. You want to put a Google map in there if you're doing local SEO, you can do that. And you can even search for content as well, and it will pull in content from wherever you're working with, okay? Very quick and very easy to use for the desktop tool. And also you can see how many credits you've got here, okay? So how many posts that you can do. Now, I've got the admin account, so of course I've got like millions of credits, and I'm doing like I'm doing some testing to do like 1 million posts at one time. Now let's have a look at one of the sites that I've got open here, and this is the one where we put in, I'm pretty sure it was close to 1 million. It was 1 million posts that we did in the campaign. This is a social bookmark site, okay? That's what a social bookmark site looks like, and every single one of these has got completely different content in it, okay? With the click of a button using the Alpha Networks desktop tool. It's really powerful, and the way that we have done the Alpha Networks desktop poster is that we can do combinations of keywords. We can put in modifiers, we can put in the main keywords, we can put in locations or end modifiers, etc., so that every single post is going to be different, okay? And you can see all of this is linking to one YouTube video, which is what I was testing. It's the kind of things that SEOs do when they're bored, I guess. When we come in here, what you can see is when we go to add a site, it's really simple. You put in a domain, whatever your domain is. If you've got your API set up, which is really easy to do, we've got training in the member area. You can set up an API for Namecheap and for Cloudflare as well. All you would do then is put in your domain name, put in title, put in description, and here, where it says nothing selected, click on that and you get a drop-down menu. You can choose if you want to create a video sharing site, a blog, or a bookmark site, okay? Whatever you choose is going to create from templates that we have already put in to the system in the back end. We will just automatically assign a template. So we got multiple templates so that your sites all look different, and all you do is add a logo if you want to, and click on save, and your site gets added. Now when your site gets added, then you have some options. So I could come in here, for example, and you can see here I can manage users, okay? When I come in here to manage users, then I can search for other users within the system. So if you have collaborated with other people to create a group network, you would put their username that they have used for the Alpha Network system, and it will create a group network. And so when you go over to your websites over here, when you're doing campaigns, it's going to show you their domains that they have assigned for you to be able to post in, and vice versa as well, okay? This is where it gets really, really, really powerful, especially if you're building networks of video sharing sites and social bookmarking sites. It can get extremely powerful, okay? And it's very quick and very, very, very easy to use. Let me just come back again over here. We can click on any website that we have added, any domain that we have added. We can click on edit, and if you want to change the site type at any time, you can. You can just come in and change it over to a video sharing site, or change it over into a blog, okay? And click on save, and it will save it, okay? It's a really powerful system. So what I've done is I've made it really affordable, okay? So you can buy a 20 site license, 40 domain license, I should say, 20 domain license, 20, 40, and 70 years, okay? Where you can put up to, 20, 40, or 70 domains with your membership, depending on which package you take, okay? And it's really affordable. It is a monthly cost because it's server based, and you can do unlimited posting and stuff like that. So we had to put some monthly recurring in there to cover the server cost, but otherwise it's really, really, really affordable. If you have a look at other PBN systems, you will find that they're all costing you a lot of money. Some of them are costing well over $100 per month, and they don't have this kind of unique types of sites. They don't have group networks, and they don't have unlimited posting for some of them. Here you have it all, okay? You can do blogs, you can do social bookmark sites, you can do video sharing sites, you've got unlimited posting, and you just have to choose how many domains you want to add in. And plus you've got those group domains, and that's where the real power is with Alpha Networks. If you're working with other members, or if you just want to create your own network of social bookmarking sites and your own network of video sharing sites, then you can do that as well. Now the beauty of those kind of sites is this: you do not need to be using expired domains for those kind of sites. You can if you want to. I would keep the expired domains and use it for the blogs, okay? And for the social bookmark sites and the video sharing sites, just buy normal domains. You can even buy dollar domains and put 100 of these up for $100, okay? And it's really quick and really easy. If you want to get more domains than the packages we've got on offer on the sales page, then you can just upgrade from inside the member area, okay? We've deliberately just made it 20, 40, and 70 for the purpose of a launch, so that you can see the different pricing, which will basically suit everybody, I would imagine. And it's enough to get started. If you need more, then you can just simply purchase more, and we will give you the JVZoo or Warrior Plus or Zaxa buy link, depending on where you purchase from. Okay, thank you.